What are you doing? You're coughing. Are you okay? McKinley, you're being silly. No. It's hot up there, McKinley. The stove's hot. Get to that, please. Give me the butter knife. We don't eat butter, okay, crazy?
I eat butter.
No, you're not supposed to eat butter.
I eat butter.
No eating butter. Why are you so angry over here, huh? Why are you so angry? Why are you so angry? Huh? And do you... I know, I'm gonna feed him.
I know. I'm gonna feed him.